Let's go over the trades for the day and for the week. Relatively break-even week, minus 650 on the 200K portfolio, trading 6 micros on 25 strategies. On the 200K, trading 1 micro on each of those 25 strategies on the 50K portfolio. And one position is still open, so minus 650 and minus 100, and then on the week, minus 200 and minus 120. Kind of a choppy week. Let's look at the trade. The data moving average went short. We got chopped up at the open, short, and then long for a profit. And then tick fader short on the day, and then night trader took a long overnight. And so all the strategies in the micro ES were profitable on the day. The NASDAQ EVP1 took a short trade, stopped out right there at the high, and then stopped out here. So down on the day on EVP1, 60-minute breakout had a tough time as well. Kept trying to take those breakouts. The market kept chopping in this narrow range. Bought this breakout, stopped out, bought this breakout, stopped out, and then bought a breakout and hit a profit target long. This is the one strategy we're still long. So long here with a little bit of a profit. And so 60-minute breakout. Tick reversal was down on the day a little bit. The first trade was a loser, stopped out on the short side. You can see all the chop here at the open. It looked like this chop to me would indicate a market that is trying to go lower, but the liquidity comes in, and there's just a lot of liquidity that wants to drive the prices higher right now, and so they do. And it's interesting, but short trade lost, long trade won, and rallied into the close, and slightly down on the day as the short trade it was a slightly larger than the winning trade on the long side. October 2022 down on the day, so not a lot of trades today. 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies on the NASDAQ traded today. And all 4 of those were down on the day, while all 3 of the ES strategies were up on the day. So let's take a look at the charts. You see the VIX dropping precipitously into the 21 handle, consecutive lower highs, and then on the daily chart for the NASDAQ futures, consecutive higher lows, except today. Barely took out those lows and then rallied, but then went up to these highs. And so since that March 15th low, it's just been straight up 18, almost 1,900 points now in a very short period of time on the NASDAQ. So just in that mode now where they're the bulls want the market to go up. They're putting a lot of capital to work, and they're not waiting for many pullbacks to drive this higher. And so we could get some good shorting opportunities coming up. The Fed said on Tuesday or Monday that the inflation is much too hot. They'll take the necessary steps. So they could rally this market into a rate hike that's bigger than anticipated, or intra-meeting rate hike. So would not be surprised to see an intra-meeting rate hike, especially if energy prices continue to move higher, food prices continue to move higher. And so will be interesting to see. Also, there is not any real resolution. There's assumed resolution in the Ukraine and what's going on there, but there is no certain resolution yet. So we just continue to trade our strategies. Those are the trades on the day for Thursday, March the 24th, 2022. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.